Hi there, I'm John from CD and Power. We're excited to introduce our new mobile fabrication service. Let me show you how we're bringing expert welding and fabrication right to our customers' doorstep. We understand the challenges our customers face when equipment breaks down. Transporting heavy machinery for repairs can be costly and time-consuming, leading to extended downtime and lost productivity. That's why we've launched our mobile fabrication service. Our fully equipped truck brings a skilled welder and state-of-the-art equipment directly to their location. We offer a wide range of on-site services, including welding and fabrication, preventative maintenance, and emergency repair services, just to name a few. Our mobile unit is equipped with everything we need to handle our customers' fabrication needs, such as a state-of-the-art welding machine, cutting and grinding tools, and a wide range of materials and supplies. By choosing our mobile fabrication service, customers will enjoy reduced downtime, cost savings on equipment transportation, flexible scheduling, custom solutions tailored to their needs, and a rapid response for emergency repairs. We serve a wide range of industries, including construction, agriculture, transportation, manufacturing, and more. So who's ready to experience welding magic right at their doorstep? Our mobile fabrication service is rolling out and is ready to make your custom metalwork dreams a reality, no matter where you are. Let's see what we can create together. Hope to hear from you soon.